Hello guys, today you are watching. There are two students who are sitting in front of me. I am going to make them practice. So just let me ask them. Are you ready, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
we are ready.
ready.
Translate the sentence. Okay. As I am speaking, you have to listen first, and after that you have to speak.
Yes.
First sentence I am going to ask you that आप क्या करते हो?
What did you do?
What do you do? आपने क्या किया?
What did you do?
What did you do? आप क्या करोगे?
What will you do?
What will you do? आप क्या कर रहे हो?
What are you doing?
What are you doing? आप क्या कर रहे थे?
What were you doing?
What were you doing? आप क्या कर रहे होंगे?
What will you do?
What will you do? आप क्या कर चुके हो?
What have you done?
What have you done? आप क्या कर चुके थे?
What have you done?
What have you done? आप क्या कर चुके होंगे?
What will have you done?
What we have done? आप क्या सुबह से आप क्या कर रहे हो?
What have you been done?
What have you doing since morning? आप सुबह से क्या कर रहे थे?
What have you done for 6 morning?
What have you been doing since morning? What have you been doing since morning? आप सुबह से क्या कर रहे होंगे?
What will have you doing for 6 morning?
What will you be doing since morning? आप क्या कर सकते हो?
What can you do?
What can you do? आप क्या कर सकते थे?
What could you do?
What could you do? आप क्या कर सकोगे?
What will you be able to do?
What will you be able to do? आपको क्या करना चाहिए?
What should you do?
What should you do? आपको क्या करना ही चाहिए?
What must you do?
What must you do? आपको क्या करना पड़ता है?
What have you do?
What do you have to do?
What
do you have to do? आपको क्या करना पड़ा?
What have you do?
What do you have to do? आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा?
What will you have to do?
What will you have to do? आपको क्या किया? आप क्या किया करते थे?
What you used to do?
What you need to do? आपको क्या करने की जरूरत है?
What need you do?
What need you to do? और आप में क्या करने की हिम्मत है?
What dare you do?
What dare you do?
Like, share and subscribe.
And don't forget to press bell icon.